Various assembly checking fixtures.
Hi everyone, this is Vincent from Top Talent Group. Top Talent Group is a professional one-stop solution provider specializing in the automotive industry. Our core offerings include stamping tools and dies, welding jigs, checking fixtures, CNC machining components, automation systems, and OEM equipment. We specialize in the design and manufacturing of high-precision checking fixtures for the automotive industry, including fixtures for metal stamp parts, plastic parts, welding assemblies, and more. We use them to check dimensions and quality for automotive parts to make sure they meet our customers' requirements. Thank you for your time and patience.